Welcome back, everybody. So I had a chat with Yolondo Salmon-Thomas in studio right here in 2022. Now today for our diaspora check-in, we're catching up with the Makeup Mogul to hear all about the official opening of her flagship store, that of her brand, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. Pimby, she joins us now from inside her beautiful 10,000 square foot new playground. Yolanda, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am doing well. What about yourself?
I'm doing really well. I can't believe it's been 3 years since you were last here. Let
I
me tell you
know it
what
feels like the other day,
it
right?
was quick and so much has happened during that time. I remember telling you when you came on set that you smell nice. I don't know if you remember. I said, oh my gosh, you smell so nice. And you came back
I
after
do
the
remember.
show with the perfume you were wearing. You took it out of your bag and you said, I want to give this to you. I don't know if you remember that.
Yes,
Me
I
still
do.
have it and it still smells nice. Anyhow,
You still have it?
of course I still have it. I still have it. I'm gonna tell my daughter like the mogul, the makeup mogul of Pimby gave this to me. Congratulations on this latest move. Tell me what it feels like to expand your business in this way. 10,000 square feet, all yours. Talk to me.
Oh, my. So it's a blessing. I always say, it's a blessing. How do I feel? I feel a little bit numb because I don't know why I feel. I'm grateful, of course, but
Yes.
it feels so surreal, you know? After years of working so hard and I see what prayers and fasting gets me, it feels it's a blessing. So I feel very great.
Yeah, and so, I mean, this is not new to you. You've been doing your makeup line for a little while, but you've been online. Interestingly enough, you're like in the top 1% of like 1 million stores on Shopify. So this success thing is not new to you, but this is like another level. Tell me what you wanted to do differently with what you're doing online versus in the physical space.
All right. So for many years, I have tried to get Pimby, Plain in Makeup by Yolondo, my products in different stores. And I have so many customers across the US. I've actually shipped to over 150 countries. And for many years, people have been asking me, Jamaica, here, can you please get your products in different stores? I've tried on many occasions and I wasn't successful. So one day, my husband and my sister, especially my husband, said to me, why you just don't open your own store? So the first store that I opened one in Jamaica, that's Mapen, so that's 11 Paisley Avenue. And I was getting more into products where people were saying, oh, I need to test my shade, I need to do this, I need to do that. And it's very hard sometimes online to know a certain shade that you are in foundation, concealer. So I just prayed on it and launched out. So that's what inspired me to open this store.
I'm looking at, kind of going through I mean, it's surreal to look at these images. I'm seeing your brand on stuff. I'm seeing your step and repeat boards. I'm seeing your customers taking pictures with you. This is a dream that started in Micheltown, Yolanda, when you were
Mitchell too.
literally playing in makeup. You were playing in makeup.
All the way from there down to Egypt.
You
That's
could,
where it
you
started
couldn't,
from.
you couldn't even see this. Like when you left Jamaica at 17, you went into nursing. Did you have any idea that at some point, I mean, you were doing your makeup artistry on the side, you got your certification. Could you have envisioned this dream for yourself?
Well, I know I'm a very determined person. My grandmother always tell me that once you're determined and need something, you just pray about it and push yourself. All things are possible, especially when you believe in yourself. So it's not that I've never seen myself where I am today. However, because that's how I was brought up. So I wouldn't say I wouldn't have seen myself. I never dreamt of being a makeup artist when I was younger. I always wanted to be a counselor, someone, that therapist, someone. So me being a makeup artist, having my own cosmetic line, it wasn't something that I had planned for. I fell in love with it at a younger age, but never knew this is what I would have done.
Wow. So how have things been going in the new space?
Oh, wow, amazing. I've had people coming in from Canada. I have people coming in from Chicago. I mean, like driving from Savannah 4 hours, 6 hours, just to meet and see Yolondo. As I always say, Pimby is not all about a cosmetic, skincare, or I would say hair care, because we're now in hair care. We're also a movement. And I want people to know that sometimes you may feel like you're unseen. I want people to also know once you put your mind to something, you can accomplish it. Because when I started, I never had a big name. I never had investors. I never had nobody but myself, my husband, and support from the internet. So I want people to also know that you can do whatever you want in life if you put your mind to it and push.
Yeah. Also, you said you wanted to be a counselor, you wanted to do therapy. You obviously are very invested in people feeling good about themselves, and your makeup line is about that. You say it's amazing what the right concealer or the right whatever it is can do to turn somebody into the best version
Of
of
themselves.
themselves. So you're kind of channeling your ethos through your makeup.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow.
It's really, yes. Because I was in here the other day, and I saw a lady came in and she said, you know what? If this doesn't cover, that's my viral concealer, my Everness concealer covers everything, cover tattoo, anything. It covers everything. And she came in here and she said to me, if this doesn't work for me, I am going to give up on America. I said, don't worry yourself. You're not giving up on America. You're going to sit in my chair and we're going to cover it up. And you could see the reaction on her face when I just tap it in and it covers. She felt so good. And I really love that about this brand is how you make. I always say, even yesterday I had a meeting and I said to my staff, I said, people will forget what you say to them, but how you make them feel,
Never,
it lasts
never
a
forget.
lifetime.
Yeah, yeah. We have to go. First location of many to come?
Oh, we're going to New York next.
Oh,
So we have plans for New
which
York.
part of New York you going?
We're planning on going to King's Plaza.
Okay, look at you. Okay, so you can catch them in Jamaica. If you're in Atlanta,
Yes.
Georgia, you can catch Pimby there too. Daughter of the soil, with resilience in her DNA. She had a dream and she's gone for it,
Yes.
and this is the result. Thank you for being such an inspiration, Yolanda. All the best to you with your products. You are headed to global stardom, and we are
Thank
super,
you.
super proud of you. And we will definitely keep up with the progress and check in with you again when New York is
And
the
thank
time.
you so much, Simone, for having me. And just to let you know, I love you dearly.
Oh, bless you. When you're next home, come and sit with me and let's talk in the Sim Soul chair.
I would love that.
Okay. Owner and CEO of Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. Pimby is what she calls it. Yolondo Salmon-Thomas. I love a good story of a Jamaican who is just doing amazing things. It's just who we are as people. So thanks, Yolanda, for your story. That's it for our Diaspora Chicken, everybody.